Vassan. Bustique combined with Holstein Dam Line 104A. Vassan was bred out of a half-sister of the national 150-level competing horse Calvinado of Lisa Marlene Thoma. Great-Grand Dam Samantha is the full sister of the stallion Caballo, with whom Helen McNaught competed in Grand Prix and World Cup competitions. Samantha is also listed as the Grand Dam of the top-level show jumper Crocan 31, ridden by Philipp Weishaupt. Combined with this Holstein lineage 104A is top progenitor Bustique, who sired Olympic medalist Beauville Z and other 160-level performers such as Berdine, Bonita von het Kaisershof and Florida Balia NL.